Hi, I'm Evangelos Pizzadiotis, owner-operator of Billiards Academy and Sports Lounge. We've been family-owned and operated since 1971. This year marks a great milestone for us, which is our 50th anniversary of ownership here at this great establishment located at Logan and Danforth in the heart of the Greek town. In '71, my father Andreas had a pool hall in Guelph, Ontario. He decided that it was time to sell that place and come back to Toronto. The opportunity came up where Academy was up for sale. So he sold his pool hall in Guelph, bought Academy in April of '71. And soon after met my mother, soon after got married, soon after had me and my sisters, et cetera, and the rest is history. The secret of success is for us as my father Andreas, my mother Eleni, my sisters Tina, Mary Anthony, and myself. We've treated the guests that come here as if they're coming to our home. So we've always given that very homely feeling where you can come and just be yourself and be comfortable and come on your date or just shoot a game of pool or just or just sit at the bar and have a drink. But it became a place where, especially in the 70s and 80s, when it was a dominant Greek neighborhood, that when a Greek immigrant would be fresh off the boat and come to the Danforth, they'd come to the pool hall and he'd say, "My name is whatever, I'm Jim from Sparta." And some guy here would say, "Hey, I'm so-and-so from Sparta. Who do you know from Sparta?" "Oh, I know this guy." "Oh, you know that guy? He was my friend growing up in school. How do you know him?" "Well, that's my brother." "So-and-so is your brother?" "Oh, do you paint?" "Yeah, I can paint." "Okay, tomorrow you start working with me. Tomorrow you got a job." A lot of people looked at this place and still do as their home. And I don't know, we just treat people as if we're inviting them in our home. So a lot of special things that happen here. I met my wife here. My sister met her husband here. We've been to over half a dozen weddings of people that have met here and couples that have met here and are still couples to this day. We've had film shoots in here. We've had David Suzuki do nature things in here. We've had various politicians come over the years that were loyal to Academy as well. There's a strong core of Canadian actors that still come up here. Steve Anthony was a regular here for years. It's a place that's close to many people's hearts, that has touched many people's hearts, and they're saddened now, especially that we've been closed for a year. Right now, I just want to be given the go-ahead to open. I have to reassess the business to see if in today's day and age, with the way things are going, if it's an even viable business that can even sustain itself. The personal debt that I've taken to keep the place, is astronomical. We are nothing without the people that have made this place what it is. If it wasn't for the loyalty and friendship of a lot of the people that have come here over the years, that continue to choose to walk up those 23 steps and come up here on the second floor to watch a game, watch the Leaf game, a Raptor game, or Jays, or even play a game of pool, or just to sit at the bar, just have a beer and just chat away. We're extremely grateful to their loyalty and to their commitment to my family and to Academy. We are nothing without all of them. This place will continue to be nothing without all of them. On behalf of my family, my late father, my mother, my sisters, and myself, we'd like to thank you all for continuing to support us here at Billiards Academy and Sports Lounge. Hopefully we're able to open up soon so we can celebrate the 50th anniversary properly. Thanks again, everyone. See you soon.